Protests broke out in New Delhi against the format of the UPSC exam, which expects the students to clear basic English proficiency. Political parties continue to point fingers at each other as the students complain of being victims of urban bias. Will the government take a stand on this matter?
Angry protests rage on the streets in Delhi. The demand to alter the format of the UPSC exam growing.
हिंदी जो अब हमारी क्षेत्रीय भाषाएं हैं उनके ऊपर अन्याय न हो.
So these are the issues which is being faced. Those children who are coming from a Hindi heartland or otherwise also. So we need to correct the system which has been imposed in 2011.
Protesting students allege an urban bias for having to clear a basic level of English.
If you look at this level at CSAT, you'll find that it is not only discriminating to Indian language students but also to students who come from different backgrounds.
English as a link language has acquired a very great significance, and minimum amount of efficiency is required on the part of such senior officials.
I have a copy of the 2012 paper and also the 2011 papers, and let me tell you, there is nothing Shakespearean about the passages and the questions that have been asked. Take this passage, for example, a simple line here where he said at night, as night fell, he slept under a haystack lying in a meadow. And the question asked is, when the night fell, he slept where?
But as protests grow, so does the political blame game.
Government must walk the extra mile and ensure that the UPSC issue is resolved to the satisfaction of the students.
कांग्रेस ने 3 साल से ये मामला लटका के रखा था.
The focus over the nation's most sought-after exam has shifted from merit to drama on the streets. But questions remain. Isn't basic level of English proficiency a must for someone who is aiming for a top job in the government? Bureau Report, Times Now.